I want to just take you to the three-dimensional view of the airstrip at Kozhikode, and there's a reason, why it's called one of the most unsafe airstrips in India. If my camera person can just pan in, this is what it really looks like. It's really short, and if you can see right there, it's very easy to overshoot. And especially for pilots, even though how experienced you might be, it looks at the same level as the ground below. So now what exactly really happened here was that the plane overshot this runway and plunged into the valley right here, 30 feet below, splitting the aircraft into two. So this is, a three-dimensional view of the airstrip at the Karimpur airport at Kozhikode, and this is what it looks like. It was up for expansion. It has been recorded as one of the unsafe airstrips across India. There was a notice, a safety notice given to it by the DGCA in July 2019. At the back of that, where there is safety concerns, it was decided that this particular airstrip will be expanded. But this airstrip will be expanded so as to make sure that it is not as unsafe as it is right now, because especially in inclement weather, bad weather, it's quite easy to overshoot this airstrip. This is not the first incident. Yes, in terms of import of fatalities, in terms of, those grievously injured, we've recorded the first unfortunate case, but there have been many instances running up to what we have seen today happen at 7:41 p.m.